We are now going through a period when the epidemic of COVID has affected everyday life and the general public so much. Self-preservation is essential in the situation where many things remain obscure to the scientific world itself. An accurate understanding of health and epidemics is imperative, as even the slightest negligence can lead us to pay a heavy price. Everyone should be able to understand the reality of those who take advantage of the situation and spread various unscientific claims and misinformation. Awareness of contagious disease is fundamentally essential in this context of increasing COVID spread. The prevalence and severity of infectious disease vary from person to person. In this context, it is crucial to identify the reasons behind it. Infectious diseases are diseases caused by microorganisms. The epidemiological triangle is a model developed by scientists for the study of health problems. According to this, everyone needs to know that the presence of virus alone does not lead to disease. This model mainly identifies three factors that lead to disease. Firstly, the host who is at the risk of contracting the disease. Factors such as genetic makeup, nutritional status, anatomy, presence of other disease or drugs, and mental balance influences a person's risk of developing and exacerbating the disease. Secondly, agent. These can be microorganisms or pathogens that cause infections. Examples: viruses, bacteria, parasites. Generally, there must be an agent to cause the disease. However, the presence of an agent alone is not sufficient to cause disease. Third, the environment refers to the external factors that affect the agent and the opportunity for contact. Environmental factors include physical factors such as geography and climate, biological factors such as insects that transmit the agents, and socio-economic factors such as population, crowding, sanitation, and access to the health services. Consider the 8 critical elements of health to prevent COVID. This is a way to prevent not only COVID but also all other infectious diseases and lifestyle diseases. You can improve your health by paying attention to these 8 things. Number 1. Be sure to breathe the fresh air. For that, maintain the home surroundings and work area in the most hygienic manner. Any harmful toxin that enters the body through the air can damage the mucous membrane inside the lungs and the immune system there. As a result, any germ can subdue you very easily. Moreover, if the efficiency of the respiratory system decreases, the health of the other 10 organ systems in the body, which includes the immune system as well, will deteriorate. Several studies show that people living in air-polluted areas are more prone to lung diseases and infections. New research suggests that air pollution may play a significant role in the complication of COVID infection. Household items such as incense sticks, mosquito repellents, benzoin, as well as toxin released by burning plastics, body sprays, deodorants, air fresheners, and powders can all cause the above problems. Contaminants including carbon monoxide from burning charcoal and organic waste can cause damage to the respiratory system and body. Point number 2. Be sure to drink plenty of clean water when required. Under no circumstances should even the most subtle state of dehydration occur in the body. The longer dehydration persists in the body, the slower the body's metabolic activity. It will reduce the function of each organ. Constant dehydration in the body, if continued, may lead to a health problem that affects the whole body. Do not drink too much water. That way is not favorable for health. Hydrotherapy is the practice of drinking more water than you need. Also be aware that boiling various items in water and drinking them frequently is not only unscientific but also bad for the immune system. Drink pure water according to thirst. Point number 3. Eat clean and nutritious food according to your appetite. If you are not hungry, do not eat until you are hungry. Calculate the calories your body needs. Make sure you have the right amount of protein and fat and follow a food plate that contains vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and fiber. Try a balanced diet that includes 25% of the bowl of fruit salad, 35% vegetables including raw and cooked, 25% of whole grains and 15% of protein foods. A balanced diet plays an important role in improving and maintaining your health and immunity. Understanding this correctly and following it will help you to get rid of a lot of lifestyle diseases. Following a raw food diet, which includes fruits, vegetables, and nuts, at least once a day can be very beneficial. Do not eat more than 3 meals a day. Mandatory avoidance of all junk foods is highly recommended. Obese or overweight people must bring body weight to a healthy level as soon as possible. Being overweight is a risk factor. Overweight and obesity are abnormal or excessive fat accumulation that may impair health. Body mass index or BMI is a simple index of weight for height that is commonly used to classify overweight and obesity in adults. It is defined as a person's weight in kilograms divided by the square of his height in meters. For adults, WHO defines overweight and obesity as follows. Overweight is a BMI greater than or equal to 25. Obesity is a BMI greater than or equal to 30. Point number 4. Get a sun bath every morning and evening. Also spend about 10 minutes in the sun between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. Even though it is hot at this time, getting a little sun bath at short intervals without much impact on the body will help the body to produce more vitamin D. Sun bath is very important for our body's biological clock system to function properly and for the body to be able to synthesize the required amount of vitamin D. Vitamin D plays a vital role in the body's calcium metabolism and the effective functioning of the immune system. Without adequate vitamin D, a person cannot produce enough of the hormone calcitriol, also known as active vitamin D. This interferes with the absorption of adequate amounts of calcium from the diet. The study that the vast majority of the people with COVID complications have a deficiency of vitamin D in the body should be taken very seriously. The link between lung infections and vitamin D deficiency has been recognized for many years. Point number 5. Exercise for at least 30 minutes every day. Get started by walking at least. The efficiency of the body's metabolic functions is related to the physical activity of our body. Our society is in a very dangerous situation where body fat accumulates, thereby organ systems fail, eventually lifestyle diseases are caught. COVID complications occur in people with lifestyle diseases. People suffering from lifestyle diseases should keep their lifestyle, diet and living environment healthy and control diseases. Trying to manage these diseases with drugs alone is unhealthy. Point number 6. Ensure adequate physical and mental rest during the day. Relax according to the fatigue. When you are tired, why do someone go for a tea? Instead, relax. Do not exploit any organ. Physical rest should be given according to bodily functions, mental rest according to mental functions, and physiological rest to the internal organs of the body as per requirement. Eating only according to appetite, not ingesting anything harmful to the body, and not overeating will prevent the misuse of internal organs. Point number 7. Ensure 7 to 8 hours of healthy sleep. The best time is 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Do not skip sleep regularly for any reason. Sleep deprivation can weaken the organ system. It can cause many health problems. The immune system may get impaired. And finally, point number 8. Create life situations, life vision and lifestyle where you can live happily without stress. It is also the responsibility of society. Proper social living conditions, relationships and mind-enriching life experiences are all essential to maintain mental health. Know life and life problems and try to change fears and anxieties. It is great to be able to spend time in a very creative way in areas where one can find happiness. If you understand COVID in detail, you can face it without fear. People with symptoms may find it helpful to eat plenty of hydrating fruits and rest well. Do not go for shortcut remedies without studying them. Seek medical attention only when mandatory. Do not take any medicines unnecessarily. Those who suffer from complications of lifestyle diseases should pay more attention. In addition to the above 8 things, as social responsibility, everyone should follow the COVID protocol for every others. The elderly and those with health problems need to be considered, so do everything you can to prevent the spread of the disease. Always remember that people who do not even do moderate physical activity, who are not being exposed to the sun at all, who do not sleep properly, who overeat junk foods, who do not follow even a minimally nutritious diet, who are subjected to high levels of air, water and soil pollution, and who run after unnecessary things in life and experience unbearable stress are all in high risk for various lifestyle and other diseases. Understand and embrace a holistic approach towards health and completely rebuild your life. All the 8 key elements shared through this awareness video has been obtained from Mr. Sanoop Narendran, Director of Lifestyle Hygienics, an organization that aims to enable people to live healthy lives. Each of these has a lot more to learn, understand and practice. For those who want to know more, you can directly connect with them through the contact details shared here. So let us survive the pandemic by following the fact health is immunity. Thank you.